What's up, Michigan? Welcome back, Matt. How are you guys? It's a cool venue. Ooh, I like it. It's got a lot of reverb, got a lot of delay. Thank you guys for, whoa, thanks. Thank you. You excited for the show, huh? 4 years? It didn't seem that long. What was it? What? It wasn't like the Nick at Night tour, was it? That wasn't 4 years ago. That was like, don't scare me. I scared myself for a second there. When was it? I'm taking off. Jeez, I thought I saw you recently though.
No, you were here for Nick at Night.
No, you just got that familiar face. Congratulations. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with me. I'm not getting fat. I swear to God. Zoo actually told me, he says it's scientifically proven that nature makes guys gain weight or something. And I think, what'd you say? It was because
nature is prepping him for no sleep.
That's what it is. So you need the extra calories. I'm not doing anything. I'm just eating broccoli on the bus.